Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this sketch right here is something I just finished filming, and by the time you're watching this video, it might already be up in my shorts section, or if you follow me on Instagram, already up on my reels. So it's one of my videos from the Loomis Head series. Made a playlist for the same. If you're interested, the link is in the description. And the final 10th one of the series will be doing soon, very soon. So if you're also into portrait sketching like me, you don't want to miss that. Do check it out once. So here in this video also, I'll again be sketching some random faces from Pinterest. Also, you can find all these references I use or I've sketched so far in my Pinterest boards. So yes, this is one of my very regular sketching practice session. In this sketchbook, I have drawn till now so many, but still, I mean, it's a practice, it goes on forever. Actually, I had initially started this like I will be doing the 100 heads challenge, but I could not stick to the rule of drawing 10 heads every single day for 10 continuous days. But still, I'm proud of like the way I'm showing up every single day to my sketchbook and doing at least 2 portrait sketches per day. So yeah, I'm proud of it. And also these have really improved my portrait drawing skills. Also now I'm a lot confident with my lines and sketching overall. So if you also want to improve, just make sure you commit some time of your day to practice whatever you want to improve on and continue it. And just another suggestion, try practicing in a sketchbook, maintain a sketchbook. It's a really good approach. You can just look back and see your progress anytime and be proud of yourself. So this one's a very rough practice sketchbook of mine, and I mostly sketch in here with my ball pens, just 3 colors, red, blue and black. So I start my drawings, the base drawings, with my red pen. These are comparatively lighter, a lot lighter than the black and blue ones. And then once I'm done with the base structure drawing, I go ahead with adding details and values with either a black or blue pen. I really like these pen sketches because they look very raw and messy, and yeah, that's what I really like about them. Even in the finished sketch, I can see my rough base drawing lines and shapes underneath that I used to build up the whole sketch. It's like I can see the whole process of building the complete portrait, by just looking at the final work. And also, it's very handy and easy. I can just pick up my pens and start sketching without worrying about the lines getting wrong or messy. So, all that pressure of producing a beautiful piece with less mistakes, a neat and clean sketch, all that pressure, it goes away. In fact, it's not there at the first place. So I can just simply sit, relax, and enjoy sketching. if I talk about my process here, so whenever I'm drawing a portrait or a face, I start off with a circle and the center line. The center line basically gives me an idea of the tilt of the face, and then I just go ahead with the lines for the eyebrows, bottom of the nose, and the lips. Basically, I follow the rule of thirds and Loomis method. Every face kind of follows it. There are some adjustments. Maybe the eyebrow can be a little up, something like that. Otherwise, that's the base rule. Stick to it, and just by looking at the reference, you can exactly mark the lines where the facial features are for that particular reference. And once when I lay down the position of all the features, I go ahead with the nose. I like starting off with the nose, then eyes, and then the lips. So yes, my process is pretty much the same every time. Even if you check out my Loomis head series, you can find every step maybe, or you can also put up in the comments if you would like me to make a detailed video, kind of a tutorial on how I draw faces. If you are interested, I can make a tutorial or something. So do let me know in the comments what you'll be interested in my videos next, what you may find useful. Because I understand by seeing the process, we get to learn a lot. But still, if you have any questions or any particular topic that you want me to cover, you can let me know in the comments. I can take up that in my next video. Also, you can follow me on Instagram. I post daily new sketches and my practice drawings there as posts, and I put up them on my stories if you're interested. We can connect on Instagram on a daily basis. I post something there every day. So all my handles are in the description. So that was it for this video, guys. If you like the video and find it useful, do give it a like for the algorithm to spread it to new people. And if you haven't subscribed yet, do consider subscribing for more such videos. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching, and see you again soon.